I don't know who this is for, but I want to tell you that it's so important for you to show up as who God has called you to be in your unique way. Today, I was leaving church, going to the grocery store to pick up some things that I need to prepare for dinner. And I'm walking through, the grocery store. I have a AirPod in my ear listening to gospel music because I'm still, feeling the spirit from church earlier. And so I'm just walking, going through my checklist of what I need and picking things up. And I get stopped by these two beautiful Black girls. And they're like, oh my gosh, you're so pretty. And so I'm like, hey girls, like, what's your name? Did y'all just get out of church? And I asked, what did you learn? Cause I'm auntie status now. But anyway, so I get their names and, I tell them I hope they have a great day, and I keep it pushing, and I go on about shopping for the rest of my groceries. One of the things that I need to pick up was rotisserie chicken for what I'm making tonight. And as I'm waiting for the rotisserie chicken to come out, a woman stops me and says, hey, my daughters just told me about you, and I just want to thank you for showing up how you have. I don't know you from a can of paint, but thank you for showing these young Black girls that they don't need to show everything, that they can wear their real hair, that, that they can be beautiful in just their natural selves. And I literally almost cried because, one, these girls are absolutely beautiful, but two, I know the heart of a mother trying to raise a young girl in the way that she should go, but also I know the other side of being a young girl wanting to be like everybody else. And all I could see was my mother in this mother, because I wanted to be like everybody else. I wanted to wear my cleavage out. I wanted to, wear what everybody else was wearing. But it is so important that when you have your identity in Christ, that you really embrace that, because you are set apart. And you have no idea who you're going to impact just by showing up as your authentic self and who God has created you to be. Like, I ran from that for so long. And now I am living in that fully. And my prayer is always that even if I never speak a word to people, that they can see God's light in his hand in my life by how I show up, by how I dress, by how I speak, by how kind I am. Like, I want people to see him when they see me. You know what I mean? And so that was just an affirmation for me from God, that people can see his light on me, but also that people are watching you. Whether you have a platform or not, people are watching you. And so it is very important how you show up in every single interaction. So to JL, to Taya, and to Jamie, you beautiful girls, I hope that you continue to be who God has called you to be. I love you. God loves you more.